Well, spring has sprung. That means allergies are at an all-time high. Some people, IB people, need an energy boost and others need a cleanse. We're all in need of some kind of help. Luckily, Harold Leffall is here with his Good Living brand. Now, you've got 3 juice remedies. Okay, let's go through them. Start with the energy booster.
Let's start with the energy booster. So this one has pineapple, oranges, carrots, ginger, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. And this is gonna help keep that pep in your step.
Okay,
so you won't need any caffeine.
I like a pep. Okay, so should we try it?
Let's try it, yeah.
Cheers. What I love about your juices, they're delicious.
And it got a
You
little
guys, this is
spiciness
so
to
good.
it.
It's got some, what's the spice? The
Cayenne pepper.
delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we have next?
Now this one is, a lot of people are always hesitant about green juices, but this is really gonna help your digestive system to keep everything flowing.
Okay, so we've got the cucumber, which I love, the apple. What else is happening?
Spinach, parsley, lemon.
Okay, let's try this. And how often should you be drinking these juices?
Every day.
Oh, okay, daily. This does not
Is this
taste
palatable?
It's palatable. It doesn't taste like a green, like yucky green juice.
Yeah, see that green apples and the lemon really are a game changer when it comes to green juices.
I would drink this just not know. I would order this not knowing it was good for you.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, I see red.
Yeah, now red means love, and this is a libido boosting juice for him and for her.
Oh, is it now?
Yes,
Because I never
yes.
hear about juices for her.
Yeah.
Okay, why is this libido boosting?
This helps to warm up the body, and it helps with blood flow. And we know what that means.
Right.
When the blood is flowing, everything is good.
Morning TV.
Yeah. and this one has beets, and I know a lot of people are like, beets have that earthy taste, but when you combine it with watermelon and pomegranate, you get something that's really delicious and really helps.
Okay, I trust you. Let's do this. Cheers.
Right, cheers.
Oh, you cannot taste the beets at all.
See? And you're getting all of the nitric acid, which is so good for the body.
This is incredible. Okay, so obviously you went through your own cancer journey, and that really transformed your life. But do you feel like you're a scientist now, in a sense?
Well, I feel like I'm a learner.
Okay.
And people always ask me, I'll be 58 next month, and people always ask me, how do you keep it going strong? How do you stay healthy? And I think it starts with the food. It starts with what I put in my body.
And you know, we always see you. If you look on Instagram, you've got one heck of an Instagram. You're always scrubbing in the sink. Talk to us about cleaning these vegetables. I don't clean my vegetables like that, so I'm doing something wrong.
Well, you know, I always think that if you're not growing your produce yourself, you really don't know what's in it or on it, even if it says organic. So I like to make sure, you know, I clean it. And you can clean it with either baking soda or vinegar, but I use a plant-based produce cleaner to clean it.
My question is, if you feel like you don't have time to juice every day to do it, can you make your juices a couple days a week, and will they preserve?
Yeah, you can batch juice, and if you're using a masticating juicer, you can put it in the refrigerator for 3 days.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I need. Harold, these are all delicious. As always, we thank you so much. You brought the goodness, and we've got your info up on there. Follow him on Instagram. He's got his YouTube channel, and you've got a book out. This man's doing it all. Well, as always, before we go, we want to share our closing thoughts with you. And Harold Leffall has joined me today because, you know, this man radiates positivity. So what better person to join me while Liza's away? Okay, so I'm going to start with my closing thoughts for today. Anyone who says sunshine brings happiness has never danced in the rain, and that's anonymous. And I picked that one because obviously today is a rainy day, but it's how you look at it. You could be upset and sad because the sun isn't out, or you can just enjoy the day and just think it's beautiful. Harold, what are some of your mantras?
You know, one of the things that always keeps me going, and I know a lot of people are going through a lot right now, but one of the things I want people to remember is that in spite of everything you've gone through, you've never not made it. Have gone through some difficult things before, but guess what? You're still here.
Amen. Amen to still being here.
Come on now.
You said you have the best plans for the weekend, which are none.
None, to do nothing.
Amen. So you can go sit in the rain and relax and enjoy. So I want to thank you for joining our show. As always, we just love you so much.
Thank you. I love being here.
Thank you. And thank you to all of you at home. Go enjoy your weekend. I hope that you have plans of nothing, or you can go out and enjoy our beautiful Queen City. We will see you here on Positively Charlotte at 10 a.m. on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend.